Hi foodies, welcome again to another episode of Easy and Delicious. Today's recipe is an everyone's favorite snack and it's Poha Samosa. Perfect for a rainy day with a hot cup of tea. You will see how these disappear like hotcakes. If you are ready, let's start. Here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and we will season it with salt and oil. Mix the oil well into the flour. Now we will use very little water at a time to make a semi-thick dough. I used approximately 3/4 cups of water. We will cover and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's make the filling. This is poha or flattened rice. Add in the chopped onions, fresh grated coconut, finely chopped green chilies, salt, sugar, and some chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. I'm also adding cumin seeds. Mix well and keep it aside for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will make the outer covering. Roll the dough and make equal portions, approximately 15 to 16 of them. Roll out each portion about 6 inches in diameter and continue this for all the portions. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Once that is done, we will roll each out about 12 inches in diameter, applying flour as necessary. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes coming your way. We will cook both sides for 30 seconds and keep them aside covered with a cloth. Cut out the sides to make a square. You can use the scrap pieces and fry them later. Now don't get overwhelmed with the process. You can also buy ready samosa strips if you like, but the fun is to make your own. We will cut these in half and use each half. Make a thick paste with the flour and water for sticking the edges. Perfect. We will fold the wrappers like so and apply the paste to stick the sides. Start filling with the poha mixture we made earlier. Fill tightly and apply the paste and close the ends. Awesome! Make the rest similarly. Deep fry on medium flame until golden and crispy. You can also make the samosas ready and refrigerate them for a couple of days and fry them when needed. Keep moving them so they get an even color. The combination of the filling and the cover is phenomenal and you will see how crispy and crunchy they are. Enjoy with your family and hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.